Facebook Fundraiser is a feature that allows users to raise money for various causes on the social media platform. To create a fundraiser, users can click on the fundraisers link on the left-hand side of their Facebook newsfeed, select a charity or non-profit, and set a fundraising goal. Once the fundraiser is created, users can invite friends and family to donate to their cause. They can also share the fundraiser on their timeline or in groups to reach a larger audience. Facebook provides tools for users to track their fundraising progress and thank donors. Facebook Fundraiser collects donations using payment methods such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, and Facebook Pay. Non-profits that receive donations through Facebook Fundraiser must have a verified bank account to receive payments. Facebook does not charge fees for donations made to personal fundraisers. However, Facebook charges a fee of 5% on donations made to non-profit fundraisers to cover payment processing, fundraising tools, and vetting of non-profit organizations. Fundraisers created through Facebook must follow the community standards and cannot raise funds for certain restricted categories such as weapons, tobacco, and drugs. Facebook also reviews fundraisers to ensure they comply with its policies and terms of service.